mate, you seen the camera anywhere?
No? I mean, you've had a lot.
Here, right? Oh, found it! You thought we were done, guys?
We're not done. We're not finishing and starting this new 2021 without a Limmy Bang Bang Bang.
2020 was not the greatest year. It was a bit of a hard year, but hey, to start our year off strong, we wanted to do a bit of a bumpy, if you will. So we got David and Shannon here, and let's see what we do.
It is a 10 V1000. It is a 9 V1000. It is an 8 V1000. It is a 7 V1000. It is a 6 V1000. It is a 5 V1000. It is a 4 V1000. It is a 3 V1000. It is a 2 V1000. It is a 1 V1000.
It is a 37